What's up, YouTube? I took a quick trip over the first weekend of the year here to go see a couple of my clients in California. So yesterday I went up to Agora Hills and back to that massive job that we did, the 250 cubic yard monopore pool about a year ago. And we visited those guys and we taught some of their metal guys how to do ACM work. So it was kind of a fun trip, but honestly, it was such a crazy day that I never even got my cameras out. So the only video I have is a little bit from Kevin from while I was teaching the ACM. So I didn't get any of the beautiful views or anything that are normally there. That was my bad, but I did. I really came here to kind of help Kevin get ready. He's got his first monopore ICF pool going on this pool, on this house here in Newport Beach. And he's got another ICF house. We've sold all the Element ICF for both of these projects. This house is over on Cumberland Avenue. The other one's on Lido Island. I'll take you guys to that here in a minute. But I'm gonna give you a full tour of this one. This is the main garage. It's set up very similar to his own personal house, which I've been staying with him at, where you got a back garage door that just kind of leads in. Here's the pool. They've got an inspection here in just a few minutes. So they've got a bunch of guys getting ready to finish up the bonding before the inspector gets here in like an hour. And this is the entry. It's going to have a view rail staircase system. It's got a temporary setup right now. And it's all super floor. So it's got all concrete decks. Basically, Jeff is, he's from Alberta, Canada. He's a transplant, but he's been in oil and gas and industrial construction his whole life, and he can just easily take a look at a market like Newport Beach that's, you know, very expensive market, and then see them framing and building with the cheapest wood that you can get, yet the houses are so expensive that there's no excuse or reasoning that we cannot make the house nicer, structurally, thermally, audibly. These houses are much quieter. So he's kind of show you back here. He's got a big pile of dirt in front of it right now, but this is a 2-story gym. He's planning to put some of those cool nets, kind of like a treehouse situation up in there, which is gonna be kind of awesome. I told him I really wanted to come back and hang out in that when he gets it done. But you know, typical California fashion, these there's codes that do not allow any gray water to leave the property. So there's a big gray water system here that recycles all water that's not in a food sink or a toilet, and it recycles it, it treats it. It's like a $17,000 machine, and then a big cistern. It'll fill the pool, it'll irrigate all of the yard, and I think fill the toilets. So it actually uses all that water, and basically the only water that leaves this property is black water. So it's a very cool system. I actually really like that. And then this main area here is kind of the great room and kitchen area. So it's gonna have 11.5-foot ceilings. And the big thing in Newport, and probably a lot of California, is people will purchase an older home, 1-story, that is a little small for its lot, and then they will, so this is actually getting poured in concrete, so I got to kind of shimmy up here. But anyway, it's super common that people will buy a house, they'll tear it down, and they will build a 2-story that just fits. This thing takes up most of the lot, so it's like at least 6,000 square feet. He's down there talking to his guys, so I'm probably saying some stuff wrong, but he went all the way up to the gables. He's got heated hydronic floors in the main level, not up here. This is the master bedroom. So it's pretty cool. It's a little cloudy today, but if you can see out this way, you're gonna lay in your bed and be able to look out towards Big Bear. And right between those 2 palm trees, you can see mountains with snow. So pretty awesome that if you stood up on the roof, you'd see the ocean the other direction. And you can see, because it's only about 400 yards from here, just got a lot of houses and trees in the way. And then you can lay in bed and see the mountains. So pretty great location in Newport here. And then this is the balcony, second story balcony, where you can view the pool. Pretty sure there's going to be some Almost Famous moments here, but the water's only 5 feet deep, so that would probably be pretty stupid, but somebody's probably going to do it at some point. But anyway, guys, yeah, it's been a really quick trip. I had to do it over a long weekend because I got so much going on back at home. We've got a big commercial pool that's getting rented, and we're actually pouring the floor of that tomorrow. I'm flying out of here in about an hour, and I'll probably be showing you guys that video too before World of Concrete. Hopefully before World of Concrete, I get the floor and the walls poured on that pool and wrap up a couple other jobs. And then, we're only a couple weeks away from World of Concrete. Something I may do a standalone video for is we've got some really cool stuff kind of happening with a bunch of things, but really ICF Guru, we've kind of finally figured out exactly what we want to do with that brand and everything, and it's really gonna elevate the whole ICF industry, everybody in it. It's such a cool community, and everybody seems to want to lift everybody up, all the guys that are out there in the social media spheres and stuff. So we may try to have some kind of cool meetup, maybe right before the Builder Awards or something. I don't know yet. We've got a ton of meetings already set up, so we'll do something cool at World of Concrete where anybody that's there can hang out. But in the meantime, I am going to got to interview a guy real quick and then head to the airport. So we'll bring you more from here, probably maybe this summer. We'll get back out here, maybe bring the wife and shoot some cool content with this thing in the dry and the interior progressing. He's also using a lot of u-stucco, and me and him actually had a quick coffee last night with Honor, who you guys might remember, who I'll do some content with at World of Concrete. What's up, YouTube? I'm here in Lido Island in Orange County, California at Jeff's second job site that I'm showing you. This one is, they're not very big footprints. They're very, very tight lots, but this island is all man-made. It's super cool. There's some very prominent people like Palmer Luckey that just lives up the street. So it's kind of cool to see these job sites. But seeing what Jeff is doing with ICF Element specifically on this job, kind of bringing obvious synergies to the California market with its inherent fireproofness, and it's also just its structural superiority. I just look around. I was just flying my drone, and just over here there's this wood house. It's been raining for a few days. It's just moldy and gross, and all that moisture is going to be locked in that house for at least a year, while the HVAC tries to catch up. This is just the way, and this is a really, really neat job site. I'll probably be back here in a few months, and I'll show you guys the progress of this house and his other sites, because he's got a lot going on here in Orange County.